Searching or discovering articles in Article Galaxy is easy. If you know the title of the article you're interested in, simply copy and paste that title into the search box, click the search button, and the article you're interested in will display at the top of the page. Select the article details button, review the citation of interest, and click the request PDF. Alternatively, you can search for articles with things like keywords. Simply copy and paste those keywords into the search box, click the search button. Your results will display. You can review these results. You can filter these results down. Once you find the article you're interested in, simply click the article details button, review the article citation details, click the request PDF button, and in most cases, your PDF will be available in just a few seconds for you to download and access.